Hey, last time I checked, most people want to reap a harvest, but very few want to plant the seed. Let me say that again. Most people want to reap a harvest, but very few people want to plant the seed. Here's how I equate that in the entrepreneurial world. I view planting seed as sales, as proposals, as adding value in the marketplace. Very few people want to do that. Why? Because it's not sexy. It takes time. It takes effort. It's discipline. It's a habit. But the people who plant the seed, what does that mean? That means like creating daily content. It means for us, the Igniting Souls Fellowship, which is our quarterly gathering. We do a lot of things that produce very little income on the outside. But what it does is it basically adds value. It keeps adding value, adding value, adding value. And then sure enough, when we do have an offer, many people respond. And you got to ask yourself, if you are putting offers out there and you're not getting a big response, could it be that you are not planting enough seed? You know what I'm saying? You're not planting enough value in the marketplace because you should be reaping a harvest. So anytime you aren't seeing the harvest come in, I think that's an immediate sign that you need to be giving and adding and planting and sowing. You need to be doing outreach. So it's a discipline. It takes time. It takes effort. But listen, when you have the harvest, it's fantastic. Everybody loves to come to the party. Very few want to organize it. You know what I'm saying? I've learned this over the years. I've learned that in reality, there's a lot of seasons that entrepreneurial people, what they do is they go into hibernation. In other words, a time around the holidays like now, a lot of people, they just hibernate. They just say, you know what, no one's buying, no one's focused. I've found that to be the exact opposite. I think that this is the season where, you know what, people are listening, they are open, they want change, they want that new year to happen, and they might be ready for your product or service. So my advice to you would be, yes, enjoy your rest, enjoy the downtime, but remember, if you want that harvest in January, February, March, be planting seeds right now. If you need more help on this topic, go to ignitingsoulsconference.com. This is what we teach all the time at our events. Things like this. Take care, be a soul on fire, and let's hear about some seed that you're planting.